Winter is one of the coldest seasons in the whole year. Everyone feels some magic in the air because of the frost, crystal nights, snow, and just this amazing atmosphere. You are able to see pine trees, mountains, lakes, and of course the ground which is completely covered with snow. Even though everything is covered with just one color white, that is the snow, yet it is one of the most beautiful thing to witness. Hello everyone, I'm Shreya, a full time artist and an art educator from India. You can check out my work on Instagram under the handle at the rate artist Shreya Gada. So, today in this class, we will learn how to paint this four winter landscape using watercolors. This class is for everyone as I'll be starting with very basics. We will first start with what materials we will need. Then I will swatch each and every color we will be using for our project. We will understand the color value, and along with that, I will also share alternative colors which you can use for these class projects. Then we will study basic watercolor techniques, that is how to paint sky using wet on wet technique, how to mix two contrasting colors. We will study how to paint different types of pine trees and how to make it look natural. Next, we will learn how to paint flying birds in the sky. Once we have learned all the techniques, we will start with two warm up exercise and then we will move on to painting four class projects: the glowing winter sunset, frozen lake by the cabin, brilliant sunset sky, and lastly red cabin by the snow. So come join me and let's paint together this four beautiful snowy landscape. I am hoping to see you in the next class.